Good morning, this is Kathy, and this is the pre-market analysis for CL. And CL is currently testing a double bearish PRZ. That means that there's two different harmonic patterns that have merged to a completion zone. Okay, so between 5270 and 5330 is that area of importance in my harmonic world. So the initial test, we did get a small pullback, very small. Okay, so far. I would anticipate it to at least try to come back here to this 5232 or 5208 down to 5177. That's going to be a very shallow pullback, and what that would tell me is if it can't get any lower than that, especially if it holds above this initial pullback region, then I would anticipate it trying to test all levels inside the zone. So that would keep the upside bias. The intraday bias is to the upside until it can hold first below 5208 and more importantly below this 5141. Okay, but once price can hold below 5232, it increases the probability of getting down here to the ideal minimum retracement target of 5103. And there are scaling points along the way because this is a counter trend type of trade. If you prefer to trade the trend, then you would wait for pullbacks and test of those key levels. Don't diddle in the middle, just wait for important pullbacks, and then you can go long and be sure you take some profits along the way at the noted levels. Once price can hold above 5330, the probability increases of testing double top areas 53.99, 54.24, and the extended target of this green pattern up here at 54.76. Okay, and that would be pretty much the extreme for the intraday top side. Doesn't mean it won't go higher. I'm just saying for the average scenario. On the reversal side, should price this ideal minimum retracement target that's at 5103, that's pretty much the intraday pullback extreme. Should it go further, that means it's a flush, and that would just be a scaling point along the way. An ideal target would be 100%, being at 4805. Okay, so you can use that along the line in either of those directions. Should it, take longer than today. Profile wise, this is a pretty strong acceptance area at 5107. Currently, price is trading. Where are we? 5247. This is regular trading hours only. So where price is above this green zone and below this yellow zone. So it's returned to this unfinished business from this session on the 10th. So potential chop within that region. Once price can hold above 5260 and try to fill that gap at 52.99, then the longer it can hold above the yellow zone, the higher the probability of having upside continuation, trying to move away from these two big acceptance areas of 5107 and 4911. Price falls back inside, as long as it holds inside the yellow zone, the inclination is it wants to return back to this 5107 area. All right, that's it. Have a great day. Have a great 3-day weekend.